Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming system readiness. Make sure Windows 11 or a compatible Android emulator is installed and that you have at least 8 GB of RAM. Enable virtualization in UEFI or BIOS because Android runtime relies on hardware acceleration. This speeds apps and prevents crashes. Update your graphics drivers so Play Store rendering is stable. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account to access the store or open your emulator, and be ready to add a Google account when prompted. Now install Windows Subsystem for Android from the Microsoft Store or a trusted Android emulator like BlueStacks. This provides the runtime environment for Google Play. Once installed, add your Google account within the emulator so Play Store syncs apps and purchases. Enable necessary app permissions and location for proper functionality. Make sure to allocate enough resources. Assign CPU cores and RAM in emulator settings and choose the best graphics renderer. This prevents lag and app installation failures and ensures smoother gameplay and updates. Finish by opening Google Play and updating Play Services and Play Store immediately. These updates fix compatibility issues and improve security. If an install fails, clear the Play Store cache and app data, then reboot the Windows subsystem or emulator. This often resolves stalled downloads. If problems persist, make sure virtualization is still enabled, GPU drivers are current, and you have enough disk space. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable VPNs or proxies because they can block Google Play activity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.